late evening has showed up as we're into the last 2 days of summer months. September 21st, 2023. Tyler Hayes here, 2212, coming to you from Ladysmith yet again with another video lined up for you. Northbound on the way that met the 344 and the Q198 at Sheldon. Givo to lead it on this one, and I have a feeling the northbound wood tick of the L5 6381 is going to be following behind, as we might have had a possible four-way there at Sheldon. Going to have a Givo to lead it for this general freighter that's on the way at this time, while the L563 behind that is going to follow. Has work lined up at Ladysmith Yard. So let's have a look at our northbound as we lean back and get them. Here we go. Gate drop. As our headlights are starting to build. Record at 352.99. Tier 4 to lead it. Again! U759 2251! Easy variant. U759! 71 of the 17th! And from Jackson, Mississippi, TKC, active in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. We began earlier and go ahead inbound for Bruderheim, Alberta, Canada. End of train devices going. And that is going to do it for the U759, 71 of the 17th. As it will once again head bound for Bruderheim, Alberta, Canada. That diesel oil load. And that is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Have a great night, and I'll see you along the main line. Tyler Hayes out.